Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. Today, I have partnered with, oh my God, I'm so excited because, first of all, right here, and then this, and then you flip it over, Controller Chaos. Guys, I worked with them a couple times over the years, and they made some of the coolest stuff. I don't know what they sent me, but I know it's Nintendo Switch related. You know I like my controllers. Normally it's the Xbox, right? And they do Xbox controllers too. Those are the ones I did before. This time it's a Switch. So I'm like, okay, gotta switch it up. That's for not laughing at my jokes. First of all, the box is really cool. Just like this is their logo. Controller Chaos. It's just a nice box. I really like the box. I'm gonna lower this table a little bit. Now you can see my stomach. Let me suck that in. Okay, I'll cut this part out. Let's see. Okay, I'm about to snap off about what's in there. First of all, oh, this is better than the. Oh, guys, I didn't know what they were gonna send. There's a Switch in here. What in the world? Okay, and then, you know what, let me take out both boxes. Okay, and then get out of here. I like you though. Raise it up, hide the stomach, and no one knows. We'll cut that part out. Okay, so we're doing another Switch unboxing, but it must be custom because that's what they specialize in, is customizing. So I'm like, I'm really excited. Like, I don't know what. I'm like, I don't want to tear the box open because I might have to send this back. I don't know. I don't know what the. Okay, let me be careful this time. Oh! Oh my God. Guys, look at this. But let me just take it out the. Oh, this is not a sticker. This is airbrushed. Guys, look at that. I gotta see what this is called. Hold on. Okay, I looked it up. This is called their Galaxy Switch console. Hand airbrushed, I was right, by one of our artists. It's not a sticker. I want you to look at that. Look at the Galaxy. Look at it! Wow, this is the best feeling Switch I've ever seen. Look at the. Oh, wow. And then that's not all. The Joy-Cons. The Joy-Cons, guys. They're air. Oh, my. Guys, if y'all don't go down to that link below and like click and invest in this. These aren't stickers. Look at that. Look at. Oh, my Lord. Okay. And then look at the detail. Okay, not right there. Look at the. And then it wraps around. They hand airbrush these. I can't believe this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, and look in the back. Each one is 100% unique, so no two are ever alike because they do this by hand. And they have 12 designs, including, wait, why didn't y'all send me this one? They have Zelda, they can do Minecraft, and they can do Pikachu. Zelda, Minecraft, and Pikachu. Oh my. Zelda, Minecraft, and Pikachu. Oh my. Wait, I thought we were done. Guys, I thought we were done with the box. I forgot. Wait, this isn't. I'm sorry. I thought those were the only two things. Look at this. They airbrushed this too. Oh my Lord. Sorry. Wait. Okay, I can't even get it in right. All right. Okay. Oh, that is okay. I'm sorry. I know I'm like fainting over this. Like I didn't know what they were gonna send. Like I knew this was coming. I knew something was coming, but not this. This is beautiful. They better not. They better not have done the base and the little charging thing. They did it. Oh my God. Oh! Look at the detail. They airbrushed all of this. Look at the. Oh. 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 Look at the top. Oh my. Okay, hold on. You know what? Controller Chaos. Do I get to keep this? Because I'm actually building kind of a gaming setup here to do some stuff, and I need another Switch. This is okay. And then all this. Okay, all this stuff is regular. But oh my God. And guys, listen. You want one of these? There's a link below. There's a coupon down there, and I think it says Lamarr 18. You put that in, get a little discount. And we're not even done with the video. Oh, shooky. You stay in the camera because you just too pretty. What could this be? Okay, so it has to be a controller, but like what kind? But let's see. Okay, first look here. I'm gonna give it to you all. I'm not even gonna look yet. Because oh, is this a Pro controller? Okay, so I haven't looked. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not mean to drop it. I'm sorry. No! No way! This, okay, it's not exact, but it just... What are the odds? What are the odds? This is the Super NES Pro Controller. I wore the classic shirt, and then this is the... You know what? Today's going good. I love this so much. I love this so much. I can't... Guys, I'm gonna get you a really close look. Now look at that. Look at it! Okay. And then on the back, look at that. And that is, oh my God. Yeah, this is the Pro controller. And let me see the information on this. Also hand airbrushed. Each one is 100% unique. No one can have this one. I'm not giving this back. They have a build your own feature where you can customize it any way you want, including your own gamer tag right in the controller. You know, your I don't know if you put your Switch ID. No, but whatever your name is that you can put on there. That's actually really cool. And then they have over 20 other designs. This is what they're saying right here to choose on their website that I'm looking at. Like, wow. So all my Nintendo lovers, like, they're like, I don't know, the C&D and Jacob Ocarina. And who's the one I just found out about? That Nintendo... is it Nintendo Cave? Man, you got a nice setup. A little shout out right now. I saw your house through C&D's video. You got a nice setup. You got a lot of stuff. If I ever come over, I might take some. Anyway, I'm just saying you ain't got this though. So, so, oh my God, Controller Chaos. Thank you so much. I want you all to go to their sites and like check these out. See, not only do they do Switch stuff, they do Xbox, they do PlayStation. There's even a Lamarr Wilson controller floating out there from a few years ago. See if you can find that on their website. You can buy it with my name on it. I made it, and it's there. And so, but anyway, if you're a Nintendo lover, like, come on. Like, if not this, like, it's an investment. Look at that. It's just, get out of my face. That is just stunning. And then this beautiful baby. Again, this is called the Galaxy Switch Console. Galaxy Switch Console, and this is called the Super NES Pro Controllers. The link is below. Click it. Check it out. Okay? Talk to your parents if you're a kid. Don't wait for Christmas. You need to get this now. And use my coupon link down there while you're at it. I'm just saying, do that ASAP. Remember, I did 2 other videos with them. They're going to pop up at the end on the left side if you want to check those 2 out as well. So, guys, again, thanks so much for watching. Controller Chaos, thank you so much again for the partnership. And again, links below. And I will see you in the next video. Oh my God, these are so beautiful. All right, you have no idea how excited I'm trying to hold it in. I'm about to snap. All right. This is so yes. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.